Hello viewers, today we're going to explore how history has shaped our capital city, London. And where else to start but the Houses of Parliament, which is also known as the Palace of Westminster. A palace has been here since 1045, and since then many significant events have happened here, including the Gunpowder Plot in 1605 and the events that led to the English Civil War in 1642.
A great way to get a bird's eye view of the capital is from the London Eye, which was open to the general public in the year 2000. The idea of the London Eye was based on the Great Wheel, which was built for the Empire of India exhibition in 1895. Today, the London Eye is the largest Ferris wheel in Europe. London was founded by the Romans in 50 AD due to the convenience and location of the River Thames. Since then, the river has enabled London to grow into the city it is today.
Founded over 1,000 years ago in 960 AD, Westminster Abbey has been the location of every coronation since 1066 and the setting for many other royal occasions, including 16 royal weddings.
Created in the 1860s, Parliament Square is home to 11 statues of notable statesmen. In 2018, a statue of Millicent Fawcett, the leader of the suffragist movement, was unveiled to mark 100 years since women in Britain were granted the right to vote.
Whitehall is the name given to the area that runs from Parliament Square to Trafalgar Square, and it's recognised as the centre of the British government, with the Prime Minister's residence, number 10 Downing Street, located just off Whitehall. The Cenotaph is perhaps the most famous war memorial in the UK. It commemorates all the British and Commonwealth service men and women who gave their lives in the two world wars and in later conflicts. Banqueting House is the only surviving part of King Henry VIII's royal palace, the Palace of Whitehall. It is famous for being the location of the execution of King Charles I on the 30th of January 1649. King Charles I is the only British monarch to have been executed throughout history.
Horse Guards Parade is a large parade ground between Horse Guards, the home of the monarch's official bodyguard, the Household Cavalry, and St James's Park. In the time of King Henry VIII, Horse Guards Parade was the site of his jousting tournaments. When Queen Elizabeth I was queen, she used the parade ground for her birthday celebrations, a tradition that continues today with Trooping the Colour, the monarch's official birthday parade, which takes place in June every year.
Trafalgar Square was opened in 1844 to commemorate Admiral Lord Nelson's victory against the Napoleonic fleet at the Battle of Trafalgar in 1805.
Since Queen Victoria moved into Buckingham Palace in 1837, the palace has been the official residence and the administrative headquarters of the monarch. The royal standard is flown from the east wing of the palace when the monarch is in residence. Buckingham Palace contains 775 rooms. There are 19 staterooms, 52 formal bedrooms, 92 offices, a post office, cinema, swimming pool, doctor's surgery, and even a jeweller's workshop.
We hope you enjoyed this virtual tour of central London. Remember to subscribe to Buckingham Education on YouTube to see more of our virtual travel tours.